Is my fan sound disturbing?
No, sir.
Yeah. It's any issues with respect to the position of point in different quadrants? You're able to identify, right? Anybody faced problem? Please let me know. Yes. Anybody? Yes. I believe all of you are familiar with the position of points. Okay. One second. See, why I give priority for introduction at the beginning of the class is if I don't ask your doubts, if you people are not comfortable when you are attending the classes, definitely whatever the subject is, whoever the teacher is, you will not be happy to attend. That is why I'm giving enough chances. I'm trying to ask each and everyone by calling their names. Please ask your doubts. Okay, not only during class hours. Okay, I can arrange additional extra classes also whenever you people want. At least 1 or 2 hours extra per week. Maybe Saturday or maybe Saturday also you are packed. Only possible days on Sunday. Okay, you just discuss with your CR. Please let me know if additional classes are required. Definitely we'll do it. Okay, at everyone's convenience. Again, it is at everyone's convenience, and if it is really required. Okay, but please respond. Please cooperate. So without your response, I'll not understand what is the level of our subject. Okay, uh, yeah, I believe all of you are all of you have some idea on explaining the position of point with respect to different quadrants. Okay, I'll just start recording. 1 second. Yeah. Okay. Now, so with that basic, yeah, with that basic, so we'll further move on to one more view. Okay, as of now we have seen the front view and the top view, and we have also seen in different quadrants with respect to xy line, whether it will come above xy line or below xy line, whether both will come below xy line or whether both will come above xy line. Okay, which one will come on xy line. So we have seen all the 8 or 9 different uh, possibilities of positioning a point in different quadrants. Okay, not only in quadrants, maybe on in some cases on the profile principal plane also. Which are the principal planes? Which are the principal planes? Please be interactive. Unmute yourself and answer. Which are the principal planes?
Vertical plane and horizontal
Yes,
plane.
vertical plane and horizontal planes. Which are the principal views? Which are the principal views?
Top view and front view.
Yes, exactly. Top view and front view. So where we get the top view, where we get the front view? Yes.
Top view on H, front view on VP.
Yes, exactly. Any doubt? Anybody? There are two principal planes. One is VP and other one is HP. On VP, we get the front view. On HP, we get the top view. Two principal planes and two principal views. Okay, front view, top view. Any doubt up to here, or shall I proceed? Shall I proceed? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you observe. Okay. See, you take the car itself. You take the car itself. Now try to imagine if I give the front view and top view of it, will it give the complete information? Will it give the complete information?
No, sir.
No, you will not be able to identify the third dimension and the view in the third direction. Am I right? Am I right? Am
Yes,
I
sir.
right? Please respond. Keep responding. Please unmute yourself. Keep responding. I'm talking with respect to the third view. Okay. Now take car as an example. You know from top how it looks. You know from front how it looks. If I don't give the third view, I mean the view, the side view, will it give the complete information only from front to front view and top view? Is it possible to understand the three-dimensional information on that particular object? Is it possible, or additional view, I mean the side view is required? Is it required? Instead of having only front view and top view, if I have the side view also, side view means the third directional view. Okay, so will that help, or will that complete the information about that object? Is it not easy? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. If I have the third view, definitely I can identify the dimension in the third dimension, or dimension along the third axis I can identify, and so that it'll give a clear picture of the object in 3D. Right now, you see here, you can see the screen, right? All of you can see the screen.
Yes, sir.
All of you can see the screen, right? Now, yeah. Okay. No. So this is the direction of wave. Here is the observer. I told here the position of observer is constant. Okay. So this is the first quadrant. This is the second quadrant. This is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. So, okay. I have written it that also. Okay. Now, till now we have discussed the waves only having two principal planes, that is the horizontal plane and the vertical plane. So we were able to identify only two waves, two principal waves, that is front view and the top view, and we have solved 4 problems also on it. Okay. Now what if I want to have the side view? Okay. So along with two principal planes, there are few more planes. Okay. We discuss only the one among the other profile planes, we call them as, that is a side plane or profile plane. You can see this one. I'm hatching this one. You can see that is a profile plane. So what is a profile plane? Profile plane is the one which is perpendicular to both horizontal plane and the vertical plane, or profile plane is the one which is perpendicular to both the principal planes. You're understanding that statement? You can have n number of planes. You can have planes which are at an angle with HP. You can have n number of planes which are at an angle with VP. So we call them as auxiliary planes. Okay. If the plane is inclined with respect to vertical plane, we call it as auxiliary vertical plane. If the plane is inclined with respect to horizontal plane, we call it as auxiliary horizontal plane. Okay. In general, it is auxiliary plane. So in that one plane, for a particular position, it will be perpendicular to both vertical plane and horizontal plane. Okay. So that particular plane which is perpendicular to both principal planes, we call it as profile plane. You can see the hatched one. Yes. You're able to say it? No, I'm not at all happy with the response.
Yes, sir.
Say yes or no. Nobody is interested, or am I not giving enough information? Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please respond. Okay. So this is the profile plane. So I am hatching the one. Okay. This is one profile plane. Okay. Now you can have this is one profile plane. Like that, you have on the other side also, you have plane which is perpendicular to both, with respect to the what do you call the first quadrant. With respect to the first quadrant, these are the profile planes. You're getting my point? You are the observer. You are standing here. Okay. You're looking at the quadrants. So for you, this is the profile plane which is towards your right. Am I right? So this is the one. Okay. So towards your left, we call it as left profile plane. You're getting my point? You're able to see what I'm writing on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you are the observer. You are here. You are looking in this direction. You are looking at the quadrants. I told the position of the observer at infinity. Okay. To get the orthographic projection. So your position is constant. You are looking at the quadrants. Okay. We are familiar with the principal planes, that is vertical plane and the horizontal plane. Now I am talking about the third plane, which we call it as profile plane. Profile plane. Okay. Now you see, assume you are looking at the first quadrant. Okay. So for first quadrant, so you have one profile plane here, which is perpendicular to both horizontal plane and vertical plane. Okay. Now, so if you are looking from here, so this profile plane towards your right, okay, so that we call it as the right profile plane. This profile plane, we call it as left profile plane, which is towards your left. Any doubt? RPP, LPP. What is RPP?
Right profile plane.
Right profile plane. What is LPP? What is LPP?
Left profile plane.
Left profile plane. Okay, very nice. Now you understand. Now you have one object in the first quadrant. Assume I know I explain it with respect to the first quadrant, then explanation remains same. Okay, the procedure remains same. Okay, I'm explaining with respect to the first quadrant. Okay, assume you have some object in the first quadrant. Okay, like this. Okay, so you have one object in the first quadrant. To get the front view, where should I stand? To get the front view, where should I stand? Should I stand here somewhere in front of the object? Yes or no? In this direction,
Yes,
I have
sir.
to see to get the front view in the vertical plane. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now to get the top view, from where I should see the object? To get the top view, from where I should see the object? From the top? Yes or no? To get the top view of this object, I should see from somewhere here, from the top. Am I right? So then if I
Yes, sir.
project from the top, I'll get the top view on the horizontal plane. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now this is with respect to front view and top view. Where we should stand, we are familiar with that. Now, if I want to have the side view, I should see from somewhere side. Okay, now I want to see the right side view of it. Right side view of it. Where I should stand? Where I should stand? Towards your right, right? You are the observer. So if you see it from here, you'll get the front view. If you see it from the top, you'll get the top view. I want to see the right side of it. I should stand somewhere here at the right side, and then I should watch the object. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now, very important. No, I'm giving enough explanation. Don't feel bored. Understand what are the basics required to understand this. I have given. Now, while explaining the quadrants, I explained the sequence also. You remember the sequence? You remember the sequence?
Yes, sir.
No, it may not be same. What is the sequence? You remember? What sequence? Somebody? What is the sequence?
Observer, object, plane of projection.
First quadrant. Assume. Okay. 1 second. Now, assume so this is first quadrant, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. Am I right? Am I right? Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
here is the observer. It is constant. So here is the object. So if I consider the first quadrant, what is the sequence? Observer, object, plane of projection. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Observer, object, plane of projection. Okay. Now for the front view it is. You should see for the front view. Okay. Now same for the same front view. If I stand in the second quadrant, for second quadrant, what is the sequence? You check it. Now in the second quadrant, object will be here. Okay. Observer, plane of projection, then object. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Observer, then comes plane of projection, and then object. Okay. So this sequence, it remains same for third also, and the first is same as the fourth. Just check it. Am I right? For second and third, the what do you call for the front view, for second and third quadrant, the sequence is same. What is that? Observer, plane of projection, and object. And for the first and fourth quadrant, the sequence is same. Observer, object, then plane of projection. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
See, you know why I'm giving all this explanation is it is not a subject like you can by heart for a particular problem. This is a solution. This is how we should solve. No, not like that. You understand. If I say if I say sequence, this should come into your mind. Sequence, what it means for the front view, for first quadrant, what is the sequence? For the second quadrant, what is the sequence? Just like that. Okay, I'm giving enough explanation. Okay, I'm using these terms sequence. Okay, the same this with this knowledge we'll understand what is that side view. Okay, so I'll go back to that. Okay, this one. Okay, now you see here. Now I was talking with respect to 1 second. Yeah, see here. Yeah, you see. Now this is a right profile plane which is towards your right. Any doubt in RPP and LPP, in understanding RPP and LPP? This is RPP and this is LPP. Any doubt in that? Any
No,
doubt?
sir.
This is vertical plane, this is horizontal plane. Now object is here, some object is here. Okay, to get this is the position of the observer. So to get the front view, you see it from here. To get the top view, you'll see it from here. Okay. To get the top view and front view. So I don't think there are some doubts on this. Okay. Now I want to have the right side view of it. Right side view of it. It means what? So here is the observer. So this is the right side of you. Am I right? If I want to have the right side view, I should see it from the right side of the object. Am I right? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now, if I want to see the left side of it, I should stand here. From the left side, I should see the object. Then you will understand how it looks from the left hand side. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how it looks from watching from the right hand side, that is the right side view. How the object looks like from when you watch from the left side. Okay, from your left side, So that is a left side view. Okay, now we should understand where that left side will come. Here is the trick. Not trick. If you understand the concept, okay, then rest all the problems you can solve very easily. Okay, now comes the sequence into picture. Okay, now I'm talking with respect to the first quadrant. Okay, now in the first quadrant, what actually is the sequence for front view? What is the sequence for first quadrant? For first quadrant, what is the sequence? Be fast.
Observer, object, plane of projection.
Observer, observer, object, then plane of projection. I have written in short, just understand. Okay, now to get the side view also, to make the arrangements for the side view also, you should use the same sequence if it is in the first quadrant. Okay, if you are working in the second quadrant, what is the sequence? Observer, plane of projection, then object. Okay, this is for the second and third. So this is for the first and fourth. Now I'm talking with respect to the first quadrant. Now you see the sequence. Okay, while taking the side view also, you should follow the same sequence. Now the object is in the first quadrant. To get the side view, I should follow the same sequence. Now, if I want to have the right side view, the observer should be somewhere here to get the right side view towards your right. Am I right? So you should see like this in this direction, how it looks object by standing here. So that is a right side view. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the where you will get the right side view? Will you get the right side view on HPVP? Will you get the right side view on HP or VP? What do you get on HP on VP? What are the views you get on HP and VP?
So front view and top view.
Yes. Okay. Front view and top view you get on VP and HP. Where will get the side views?
On either side of it, the front view and top view.
Side views we get on the profile planes. Profile planes. You getting my point? You understand that? Where we get the side views? We get on the profile planes. Okay. And in particularly, you get on left profile plane or right profile plane. Where you get? That we have to discuss now. Okay. You're getting my point? Where we get the side views? Where we get the side views?
Profile planes.
Profile planes. In particularly, where we get whether on LPP or RPP, now we'll understand. Okay. Now up to here, we have seen front view we get on VP and top view we get on HP and side view we get on profile plane. Now we have to understand which side view, right side view, whether it will come on RPP or LPP, left side view, whether it will come on LPP or RPP, that we have to understand now. I have not given explanation still. Okay, but we have understood side view will come on profile plane. Okay, now you see, I want to talk, have the right side view in the first quadrant. The object is in the first quadrant, no doubt about front view and the top view, but I want to have the right side view of it. To get the right side view of this object, I have to stand from the right side. I should watch the object. Okay. Now, there are two profile planes. One is right profile plane and the other one is left profile plane. Right. Now, whether I get right side view on the right profile plane or left profile plane, that will decide by this sequence. That will be decided by this sequence. Now, I am in the first quadrant. What should be the sequence for the first quadrant? Yes. Now I am in the first quadrant. What should be the sequence? I have written on the screen. Only thing you should unmute and answer. Yes. Bharat Kumar, Premraj.
Observer, object, profile plane.
observer, object, and plane of projection, not profile plane. That is the sequence. Any doubt? In the first quadrant, that is the sequence. Now to get the side view, you follow the same sequence. Now I want to have the right side view. Here is the observer. So what is the sequence? Observer, object, then plane of projection. Now here is the observer. Okay, what is the next thing? Immediate thing in the sequence? What is the next thing? What should be the next thing in the sequence? Oh, this Supriya Ray, Srishti K, Shubham. What is the next thing in the sequence? Am I audible? Aishwarya. Yes, Tapan Hegde. Am I audible or not? Riya. Girish Prasad.
Audible, sir.
Premraj. Brenda. Akash Kumar. Aman Shukla.
Yes, sir.
What is the next thing in the sequence? After observer, now I am in the first quadrant. I should follow the same sequence. Okay. To get the right side view, observer should stand at the right side of the position. Okay. So you should stand here and you should watch the object. Now by sequence, observer is first. What comes next?
Plane of projection.
No. See here.
Object.
Object, no? Observer is over. Here is the observer. Then object should come, no?
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, now here is the observer, but before the object, here is the object, before the object, there is RPP. So for time being, you don't imagine that RPP. Assume there is no RPP. Okay, now here is the observer, then comes object, then comes left profile plane. This is the profile plane. I mean, plane of projection. For side view, this is the plane of projection. Is it not matching the sequence? Observer, then object, then plane of projection. Is it not the sequence? Is it not the sequence? Yes. Now, what we have done to bring the horizontal plane in the same plane in which the vertical plane is there. What we have done? How we have rotated horizontal plane?
90-degree clockwise.
90-degree clockwise direction and about vertical plane, right? About vertical plane. So about this line we have rotated. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, now, so if I rotate horizontal plane by 90 degree, so once I rotate in the clockwise direction by 90 degree, both vertical plane and horizontal plane, they will be on the same plane, so that you can represent easily on the A4 sheet which you have. Okay, in the same way, to get the right side view, we should see the sequence because we are talking with respect to the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, what is the sequence? Observer, then comes object, then plane of projection. In that case, so this is not there. RPP is not there in the sequence. Okay, that will it is there is no RPP. What do you call physically? It is only imaginary. All the planes we are imaginary. Okay, I can keep it, I can remove it. Just stop imagining RPP. Okay, in the sequence. So when I follow the sequence for the first quadrant, observer is first, then comes the object, then plane of projection. Okay, now so this is the 3D space. So horizontal plane, vertical plane, and then profile plane. So that will make 3D space for the object with right side view. Okay, now to bring back horizontal plane on the same plane in which VP is present, I just rotated horizontal plane with respect to VP. Now here also, to bring back this side view on the same plane in which both vertical plane and horizontal planes are present, what I should do? I should rotate this profile plane, I mean this LPP, with respect to this line. You see this line? I'm hatching. Right? You're getting my point? You're getting my point? You're understanding? What I'll do? I'll rotate this profile plane in this direction, such that by 90 degree, such that both vertical plane, horizontal plane, and profile plane, they'll be on the same plane. You understand?
Yes, sir.
What I should do to bring back the profile plane on the same plane in which both principal planes are present? What I should do? I should rotate the profile plane by 90 degree about vertical plane. About vertical plane means what? I should rotate this. I should rotate this profile plane about vertical plane in this direction, okay, by 90 degree, so that it will be on the same plane in which both vertical plane and horizontal planes are present. You're getting my point? Both horizontal planes and profile planes, they are rotated with respect to about vertical plane. They are rotated about vertical plane, so that they'll be on the same plane. You're getting my point? You're getting my point? Okay. Now I'll go back to software. You'll get an idea. Okay. Now you see, this is XY line. Okay. Now, yeah. Okay, not XY line. You just see here. I'll take this, maybe better. Now, so for the first quadrant above XY line, what will come? VP, right?
Yes, sir.
VP? Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
VP. Okay. VP. In the same way, you get HP also. HV below XY line. Am I right? Now, when I rotate horizontal plane, okay, HP will come on the same plane in which vertical plane is present. Once I rotate, so it looks like this. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what I'll do, I'm rotating this profile plane. What is this profile plane? Is it left hand LPP or RPP?
LPP.
LPP. Now this is LPP. Okay. So this is, oh shit. Yeah. Now you see, this is LPP. Now after rotating horizontal plane, so it was looking like this. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll rotate this LPP about vertical plane. So when I rotate it by 90 degree, it will also come on the same plane in which both vertical plane and horizontal planes are present. So if I rotate it, so it looks like this. The profile plane will become like this. Now, what is this? After If I rotate LPP, so what is that? What is this? What is that? After rotating LPP, you see here, after rotating this plane about vertical plane, so it will come on the same plane in which VP and HP are present. Am I clear? You're getting my point? You're getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Others, please
Yes, sir.
respond. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now I'll come back to PPT. Okay. Now, where I got right side view on LPP or RPP?
LPP.
LPP.
Others, you please confirm your answer will boost my confidence at least. Where I got the right side view?
LPP.
LPP. LPP towards your left or right? You see now, this is how it looks. So this is how it looks. LPP always towards your left. RPP always towards your right. Now you see here. Now assume now one right side view is over. Now I want to have the left side view. Left side view means somewhere I should stand here. 1 second. Now left side view. Somewhere I should stand here, no? Left side of the object, and then I watch the object. Okay. Now what is the sequence? What is the sequence? Please answer.
Observer, object,
Now, for left side view, I should follow the same sequence, right? Here is the observer. Then comes object. Will there be LPP in our way? In this case?
No.
No, sir.
No, we don't imagine. It is not there. So observer, with respect to the sequence, according to the sequence, observer, then comes the object, then profile plane or plane of projection. Plane of projection. That is the sequence. Now, what I'll get on the RPP, is it left hand side view or right hand side view?
Left hand side.
Left side view. Okay. Now on LPP we got right side view. On RPP we got left side view. Any doubt in that? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any now to bring how we have brought LPP on the same plane, in the same way we should bring back this RPP also on the same plane in which HP and VP are present. What I should do for it? What I should do?
Rotate it 90 degrees.
Rotate it 90 degree. Rotate this RPP 90 degree in this direction. Am I right? About vertical plane, about this line. You rotate it just like it. So RPP will come on the same plane in which what you call front view, vertical plane and horizontal planes are present. Am I clear? Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now once I rotate RPP, so how it looks? So this is how it looks. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
See here. You can see that this line. What is that line? Please
XY line.
answer. What is that line? Very nice. What is that line?
XY line.
XY line. Okay. X, Y. Now, you see here. What is this line? What is that line? What is XY line? It is the line intersecting, a line of intersection of VP and HP. Am I right? What is XY line? It is the line of intersection of VP and HP. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And there is one more line. We name it as X1, Y1. What is that? X1. Some people they name it X dash, Y dash, but we follow this X1, Y1. What is X1, Y1 is? It is a line of intersection of what do you call the profile plane and the vertical plane. You see here this pink color line, it is a line of intersection of LPP and VP. And you see here the second this line, this is also X1 Y1, which is again intersection of VP and RPP. What is X1 Y1? It is a line of intersection of profile plane and the vertical plane. What is XY? It is a line of intersection of vertical plane and horizontal plane. Okay, now you'll understand what is X1 Y1, when to take it. Okay, now see here, this is with respect to which quadrant I have written?
First quadrant.
First quadrant. Now always you remember statements. Now what I'm going to give. Okay, there are two principles. Just remember, I'm just revising whole thing. You please make a note of it. Okay, again I'm repeating, I don't believe in solving more number of problems. I believe in giving much explanation so that you can understand all the problems. That is what I believe in. Even I follow the same, I put enough effort to be in that path. Okay, even my gurus, they taught me in the same way. I follow the same methods. Okay, now I just revise, make a note of these points. Okay, now there are two principal planes, vertical plane, horizontal planes. Accordingly, there are two principal views. One is the top view, which we get on horizontal plane. The other one is front view, which we get on vertical plane. Okay. Now, in today's discussion, we understood there is one more view. We call it as side view or profile view. Side view or profile view. Okay. So what is a profile plane? Profile plane is the one which is perpendicular to both VP and HP. Okay. Now, so the profile plane towards your right, we call it as right profile plane. The profile plane which is towards left of the observer, we call it as left profile plane. For all the four quadrants, left profile plane is always towards your left. If you are looking at the paper, okay, if you draw XY and X1 Y1, you see here how I should draw XY, X1 Y1. Now this is XY. Okay, now this is X1 Y1. I'll not name it, I'll just giving to make you to understand easily, I'm drawing this. So what is this line? I mean, what is this line? What is this line?
XY.
What is this line?
X1 Y1.
X1 Y1. You know, where is HP VP with respect to different quadrants? You know. Now I'm talking with respect to the first quadrant, then we'll see with respect to second, third, fourth. Okay. With respect to first quadrant, this is XY line. This is X1 Y1, depending on the side view, whether you want left side view or right side view. Accordingly, you'll take X1 Y1. Okay. Now, so this is VP and this is HP. Okay. Now, where is LPP? Towards your left or right?
Left.
Always left profile plane towards your left, irrespective of the quadrant. You remember it. Okay. And where is the right profile plane? Always towards your
Right.
right. Okay. Now, always the profile plane, you see here, whether it is left profile plane or right profile plane. Okay. Always it is beside vertical plane. Why? Because we are rotating profile plane with respect to or about vertical plane. Am I clear? Always the profile plane will be beside vertical plane. Beside vertical plane. You remember it. That is one more point. You're getting my point? Where is the profile plane always? Where is the profile plane? Always beside the vertical plane. Vertical plane, irrespective of whether vertical plane is above xy line or below xy line, irrespective of that. But that again depends on quadrants, right? Always profile plane, wherever you draw. I mean, whether you draw LPP or RPP, okay, always towards your left there is LPP, always towards your right there is RPP, and always it is beside VP. If in some quadrants VP will come below XY line, right? Yes or no? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, where if the VP is above XY line, LPP will come above XY line beside VP. If VP is below XY line, LPP will come below XY line beside VP. If you understand that, okay, now almost the quadrants concept is clear. Now, I'm still in the first quadrant. Now, point. I'll go back to PPT. Now, this is the scene we have taken. Okay. Now, in the first quadrant, to get the right side view, I was standing towards right of the object and I was looking at the object, and right side view we got on LPP or RPP?
LPP.
LPP. That we have decided based on what? How we have decided? Sequence, right? Based on the sequence. Yes or no? Yes? Yes or no? Okay. Now, you see here. On the left profile plane, we got right side view for first quadrant. Right side view or right profilic view. Right profile view. That is also right. Okay. They use different words. Okay. Right side view or right profile plane. Sorry, right profile view. Okay. On the LPP, we got right side view for first quadrant. Okay. On again, I'll go back to the PPT. Now, here is the object in the first quadrant. To get the left side view, I was watching the object from its left side. You are the observer. Here is the object. Here is the plane of projection. Okay. Left side view, we got it on which profile plane? Which profile plane?
Right.
Right profile plane. Shall I write it? LSS on RPP. Shall I write? What is not LSS, LSV here also. What is LSV? Left side view. Am I right? Am I right? You're clear with this? You understand? I'm giving 1 minute time. I'm giving enough explanation. Even after giving this much of explanation, I don't say it is 100% reachable. So the subject itself is like this. If you are confused, we are in the right path. Don't say I understood everything. Maybe possible. Okay, but don't if you still have doubt, don't keep quiet. Just ask. I have written this with respect to the first quadrant. Okay, left profile plane always towards your left, right profile plane always towards your right. Okay, but view which we get on LPP and RPP, that depends on the quadrant. For first quadrant on LPP, what is the view we are getting? What is the view? Right side view. On RPP in first quadrant, what is the view we are getting? Left side view. Okay, this will be same for fourth quadrant. Okay, but VP will be above XY line in the fourth quadrant or below XY line?
Below.
Yes, below XY line. Then profile plane, it should be above XY line or below XY line?
Below.
Below XY line, because always profile plane should be beside VP, irrespective of whether it is below XY line or above XY line. Am I right? So this is same as fourth quadrant. Okay. Sorry, in fourth quadrant it is same as this, but both LPP and RPP will come below XY line because VP will be below XY line. But what we get on LPP, that depends on again the quadrant. Okay. Again, you should see the sequence for first and fourth. Sequence is same, right? Yes or no? It is same or not? For first and fourth. You see here, first and this here it is fourth. Here is the observer. Observer, object, plane of projection. Whether you are above HP or below HP, the sequence is same for both first and fourth. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what will be the difference with respect to this positioning of different planes with respect to XY? Now, come in a comparison between first and fourth I'm talking about. Okay. So this is the positioning of LPP and RPP, VP and HP with respect to first quadrant. Now I'll draw with respect to fourth quadrant. You see here. Now, so fourth quadrant. So what is this? X. X. And this is Y. Okay. And now, where should I write VP and HP? Now you guide me. This is X1, Y1. Okay. Yeah, I'll just change it. No, I'll let it be like this. Okay. Now, where should I write? I'll just delete this. VP and HP. Are they below XY line, above XY line?
Below.
Below XY line. Okay. Now, I should write which is in bracket.
VP.
VP is in bracket. Okay. HP in bracket VP. I believe that all of you are referring the previous points which I have mentioned. It is like this. Okay. Now you see here the fourth. If I talk with respect to the fourth quadrant, you see everything remains same. Even the sequence remains same. Okay. So this is the what now I am hatching. What is that? What is that? LPP or RPP? Which one I am hatching now?
LPP.
LPP for which quadrant?
Fourth.
This is the fourth quadrant. For fourth quadrant, this is LPP. And you see here, this one, this is RPP. Am I right? For fourth quadrant. Okay, if I just open it, I should rotate LPP in this direction and RPP in this direction. Am I right? Yes or
sir.
no? Okay. Now you see, assume I want right side view. Okay. If I want right side view, I need only LPP, right? Yes or no? Because in fourth and first quadrant, right side view will come on left profile plane. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes? Yes or no? Answer. Here is the VP. Where should I place LPP? Here, here, or here? I'll just, yeah. I'll place it like this. Is it okay?
No.
Is it okay?
No, sir.
Where should I place? Below XY line or above XY line? Or is it, yeah. Is it okay if not this position? Is it okay?
No, sir.
Now, what is the condition I told? Our LPP always towards your left with respect to what? X1, Y1. So this is X1. What is X1? Intersection of profile plane and vertical plane. So this is X1 and this is Y1. Okay. Now LPP always towards your left to X1, Y1. Always left to X1, Y1. RPP always towards right to X1, Y1. Okay, right always towards your right, left always towards your right. What is U here? X1, Y1 is the reference. Okay, now LPP, it should be on the left side of the X1, Y1, right? Did I place it in the right position or anything wrong? Is it on the left side of the X1, Y1? Is it this is the way. No, LPP always towards your left. Is it towards your left?
No, sir.
No. Then positioning is wrong. Now, so what are the possible options? Now it is towards your left. Is it towards your left?
Yes, sir.
But is it the right position?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, whether it should come above XY line or below XY line, that we should see. What is the condition? LPP, sorry, profile plane, whether it is right profile plane or a left profile plane, that will be beside VP. Where is VP? Here is VP. Yes or no? Which is the beside it? Which is beside VP? This is beside VP. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is for which quadrant?
Fourth.
Fourth. Okay, now you see here, I will show the next this thing slide. Maybe I was talking with respect to auxiliary vertical plane. Okay, auxiliary inclined plane. You see here, auxiliary inclined plane with respect to HP, auxiliary vertical plane like this. Okay, there is one more plane which is perpendicular to both. Like you can have n number of profile planes. Okay, so towards your right, whichever comes is right profile plane. Towards your left, whichever comes, that is left profile plane. So which is perpendicular to both VP and HP. So we are discussing with respect to the profile plane. This one. We are discussing with respect to this one. Okay, profile plane. Now, see here, the same whatever I have explained. So it is summarized here in this slide. You just go through it. You see this first one. What is that? You observe this one. Okay. Now here is the object, observer. This is VP, HP, and this is profile plane. Is it right profile plane or left profile plane? Is it right profile plane or left profile plane? You see which is in the green color.
Right.
Right profile plane. Now if I rotate it, so first I'll rotate horizontal plane. So in the clockwise direction by 90 degree. If I rotate it, so it will come on the same plane. Now I have to rotate this profile plane also about vertical plane. Okay, once I rotate, you see here the rotating direction. You see, if I rotate it like this, it will come all three will come on the same plane. Okay, now on the green, now it is RPP, right? Can I write RPP because towards your right? Okay, this is RPP. On RPP in the first quadrant, what is the view we get?
That's
What is the view? Left side view. See, that is what they have written. Left side view. Okay, once I rotate in the first quadrant, once I rotate RPP and HP, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Okay, XY. This is X1, Y1. This is X1, Y1. X1, Y1 means what? This is the line of intersection of vertical plane and the profile plane. Okay, you see here on the right profile plane, we got the left side view. Okay, and it is towards beside VP. Profile plane always beside VP. Okay, now so this is how you should get the left side view. And if I write it for the right side view, P profile plane will come here like this. Am I right? So this is left profile plane on which we get right side view. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes? You're getting my point? You're understanding? I'll show you one more slide. Now that may give a clear picture about it. You see here, object, front view, top view, and this is the side view. Now, for observer, is it RPP or LPP? The yellow colored one. Is it RPP or LPP? Yellow colored one.
RPP, sir.
RPP. Which we get on it for first quadrant?
Left side.
Left side way. And this is RPP. Okay. Now in the opposite direction, if I have one more plane here, that will be LPP. In the first quadrant on LPP, we get right side way. So how we have decided? That is based on the sequence again. So for first and fourth, what is the sequence? Observer, object, and plane of projection. Again, for second and third, the same procedure. Sequence is little different. What is the sequence there? What is the sequence? What is the sequence for second? What is the sequence? Yes. What is the sequence? Is it same as first?
No,
Answer.
sir.
Now, what is the sequence?
Object.
Observer,
plane of
plane
projection,
of projection,
object.
and then object. That is the sequence. Okay. Now, you just imagine you are. No, I'll just delete these things. 1 second. Shall I delete these hatchings and all with respect to first quadrant? What I have written. Shall I delete those? Yes. Or I'll have one more slide. Okay. I'll just copy this. Now, we have done with first and fourth quadrant. Now, assume, oh, it's raining. I may lose Wi-Fi connection. Please excuse me if I lose connection. Okay. Yeah. See, we are done with. One second. I'm saving it. You're able to see the screen, right? All of you are able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
1 second. Yeah. Now we are done with first and fourth. Okay. Still the observer is here. Now I will talk with respect to the second and third quadrant. Okay. Now is it not the second quadrant? Is it the second quadrant?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is the sequence? We know it. I'll write it again. What is the sequence for second quadrant? Observer, plane of projection, and then object. This is a sequence. Okay. Now we'll follow the same procedure how we have done it for first quadrant, and we'll see what will happen. Okay. Now, any doubt with respect to front view and top view in the second quadrant?
No, sir.
Now, where will be the front view and top view? If I draw it, okay, I'll draw the XY line. Now, where is the front view and where is vertical plane and horizontal plane? Yes, X, Y, VP, HP. Okay, I'll just move this. This is X, this is Y. And now, where should I place HP and VP? Tell me now.
Above XY line.
Above XY line, which will be in bracket?
HP.
HP will be in brackets. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
HP will be in bracket.
Sir, just a minute. I will going to take the attendance now. Hello.
One second. I'll just complete this and then we can take that.
Continue.
Okay. See, I've written VP and HP. Is it right? Is it right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this is with respect to the second quadrant. I'll go back to PPT. You see here. Now, where we get front view and top view, we are clear about it. Okay. Now, with respect to side view in the second quadrant. Okay. Now, observer is here. Okay. So, what is the sequence for the second quadrant? Observer, plane of projection, object in the front view. The same sequence we should use for side view also. Now, to get the right side view, somewhere here I should stand to the right of the object, to your right side. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Now I want to have the right side view of the object which is placed in the second quadrant. Okay. Now, is it not your right side? I'm standing here. Yes. Okay. Now, right side view in the second quadrant, whether I get on LPP or RPP, now I should decide. Okay. Now, how I will decide? Based on the sequence. What is the sequence? Please answer. What is the sequence? What is the sequence?
observer, plane of projection, and object.
Observer, plane of projection and object. Now, here is observer. Then, here it is RPP for second quadrant and it is LPP for second quadrant. Okay. Now, should I keep it RPP in my way? In the sequence? According to the sequence? Should RPP will come or not?
No, sir.
See the sequence. Here is the observer. Okay, we are talking with respect to side view. Okay, to get the side view, we should follow the same sequence. So here is the observer towards your right to get the right side view. Then comes plane of projection. Side view always on the profile plane, either LPP or RPP. Now, in the sequence, first should come plane of projection, right? If I remove RPP, what is the sequence? Observer and then object. Will it match with the sequence?
No, sir.
No. First comes RPP, after observer, then plane of projection, then object. So LPP is not there to get the right side view. Am I right? Am I right? If I follow this sequence, observer, plane of projection, and then object. This is not there. LPP will not come into picture. Now, in the same way, to get the left side view, somewhere I should stand here towards the left of the object. I'll watch from the left side of the object. Now, to get the left side view, I'm standing here. Now, I should follow the same sequence. Now, left side view, whether I get on LPP or RPP, that will be decided again on the sequence. Now, here is the observer. Then comes plane of projection. Then comes object. Is it not matching with the sequence? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Others. Aishwarya, Akash, Aman, Srishti, Supriya, Surendra, Tapan, Utsav,
Yes, sir.
Brinda.
sir.
Present, sir.
I'm not taking
Yes, sir.
attendance. I'm not taking attendance. You answer. All of you should answer. You're getting my point? To get the left side view, observer should watch the object from the left side of the object. So whether we get left side view on the left profile plane and our right profile plane, that will be decided on the sequence. So I'm standing here for the second quadrant. I should follow the sequence. Observer, then comes plane of projection, then object. Now this is LPP. What is the view we get on LPP in the second quadrant? Yes. What is the view we get on LPP for the second quadrant?
Left side view.
Left side view, exactly. Left side view. What is the view we get on RPP for the second quadrant? Yes.
Right side.
Side view.
Right side view. You're getting my point? Now compare both first and second now. We were getting left side view on the right profile plane, right side view on the left profile plane. Is there any change in the positioning of LPP and RPP? LPP, I said already, for all the 4 quadrants, LPP is towards your left, RPP is always towards your right. Okay, but the views what we get on LPP and RPP, that depends on the quadrant and the sequence. Okay, in the first quadrant, we were getting left side view on the right profile plane and right side view on the left profile plane. Am I right? Yes. I'll go back to software where we have written. You see here? Yes. See, right side view on the left profile plane, left side view on the right profile plane. Am I right? Yes or no? Now you see here the second quadrant, the left side view on left profile plane itself and right side view on the right profile plane itself. You're getting my point? Getting my point? Yes. Okay. Now in this quadrant also we follow the same process. So how we got HP in bracket and above XY line? What we have done? We have rotated horizontal plane by 90 degree in the clockwise direction. Am I right? In that case, it will come behind VP and above XY line. It will overlap with VP. So for the observer, VP will be visible, HP will be in bracket. Am I clear? Am I clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, RPP and LPP. Now I should rotate RPP and LPP about vertical plane, right? Yes or no? Yes. You see here, you just rotate this LPP in this direction about vertical plane. This is a vertical plane for second quadrant, and RPP like this. Open up, just open up. LPP and RPP, you just open up. Okay. If I take that, you see here for the second quadrant. So this is for the second quadrant, right? Now assume I am talking with respect to left side view for the second quadrant. So in that case, left side view should always come towards the left of what? X1, Y1, right? Yes or no? Towards your right. Yes or no? So this is X1, Y1. Now I should place LPP, because in the second quadrant, left side view will come on left profile plane. Where should I place LPP now? If you answer this, I will get some confidence on you people. Please cooperate. Now, left profile plane, irrespective of the quadrant, always towards your left, towards left of X1, Y1. Now, I am keeping it towards left of X1, Y1. Is it right?
No, sir. So above XY line.
Now, why above XY line? Now, instead of saying above XY line, use the statement like it is beside VP. It should be beside VP. Am I right? Is that statement make some sense? It should be beside LP. Profile plane always beside VP. If I write RPP, now if I write RPP, so this VP HP will come this side and here comes RPP. Am I right? Now I'll show you that also, why to make you people confused. Now you see here, again I have written VP and HP above XY line. It is which quadrant? Which quadrant? Which quadrant? I have written VP and HP above XY line. Which quadrant is that?
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant. Now the previous one here, I have written LPP. So for second quadrant on LPP, what is the view? Is it left side view?
Side.
Left side view. Now for the same second quadrant, now I should draw the right side view. Where should I write RPP? Beside VP HP. Agreed? Any other answers? RPP always towards your right, towards right of x1, y1, right? x1, y1. Now you see. Is it right? What is the view we get on RPP in the second quadrant?
Right hand.
Right side view. Right side view. Okay, if I write RSV, you should understand it is right side view. RPP, right profile plane. VP, vertical plane. HP, horizontal plane. Like that. You're getting my point? So this is for the second quadrant. I'll go back to the PPT. You see, if I take the third quadrant, everything remains same. What will be the difference? Now you should answer. I have given explanation for all the three. I am giving you people to. I'm leaving it to you people. You people should answer now. So if I take the third quadrant, what will be the difference? Sequence is same as second quadrant. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sequence is same. It means what? In the third quadrant also, left side view on left
LPP,
side LPP. Right side view on
RPP.
RPP. Very nice. Okay. But in the second quadrant, both HP and VP were above XY line. Now, what is the difference with respect to third quadrant? Will VP come above XY line?
Below
VP
XY line.
and profile.
Below XY line.
I mean-
Then LPP and RPP, should I write above XY line or below XY line?
Below XY line.
Below XY line. Any doubt? You're getting my point? Now, you people only should answer. Okay. You see, I will draw it for fourth quadrant. Now I'll draw the XY line. Okay, XY line. X, Y. Okay, we'll write it for left side view now. Okay, first we'll write it for left side view, then we'll see what is that for right side view. Okay. Now XY line I have written. Now for third quadrant, this is for the third quadrant. You people are helping me to answer. Okay. Now where should I write VP and HP? Where should I place VP and HP? Where is HP for third quadrant?
Oh, excellent.
Where is HP for third quadrant?
Above XY.
Above XY line. Where is VP for third quadrant?
Below XY.
Where is VP for third quadrant? Others. Where should I place VP? Above XY line or below XY line?
Below.
XY.
Below XY line. Now, assume we are talking with respect to the left side view. We'll take left side view. Okay. Now, if I want to have left side view, will it come on LPP or RPP for third quadrant?
LPP.
LPP.
LPP. Okay. Now I should draw X1, Y1 like this. X1 and Y1. Okay. Now LPP I should write. LPP I should place. Now LPP always towards the left of X1, Y1.
Well,
But now we have two options. I should place here or I should place here. Where should I place?
beside VP.
Where should I place? Others?
Beside VP.
Profile plane always beside VP. Okay. Now for the third quadrant on LPP, what is the view we are getting?
Left side view.
Left side view. You see here. Okay. Same thing So if I write it for, the right side view for fourth quadrant, no, sorry, for third quadrant, okay, for third quadrant, this is for third quadrant, okay, same, I'll write it for right side view, okay. Now, right side view. No. Now again for the third quadrant, HP is above XY line, VP is below XY line. Now, I'm writing for right side view. Okay. Now, right side view will come on RPP or LPP in the third quadrant. RPP. Now, so instead of keeping here, HP, I should keep this side, and VP, I should keep this side. Now, where should I keep RPP? Because our right side view always on RPP in the third quadrant. That I have given explanation for it. RPP. Where should I place RPP? Beside VP. Is it the right place? Is it the right place?
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
What is the view here I get? Right side view, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right side view on RPP for third quadrant. Any doubt? We are done with first quadrant. I'll go back here. See, this is for the first quadrant. First quadrant. First quadrant. Now, LPP towards your left, RPP towards your right. But for first quadrant, right side view will come on left profile plane, left side view will come on right profile plane. Okay. Now, the fourth quadrant. Why I have taken 4? Because first and fourth, they are little similar. In both first and fourth, left side view will come on right profile plane and right side view will come on left profile plane for first and fourth. Okay, this is 4 and this is for right side view because I have taken LPP. Okay, now see, this is again, okay, fourth, sorry, yeah, second quadrant. This is for the second quadrant. Second quadrant, left side view on left profile plane and right side view on the right profile plane. Again, it is same for second quadrant. See, right side view on right profile plane. So this is second quadrant, left side view. This is third quadrant, second quadrant, right side view. Then third quadrant. What is third quadrant? HP will be above XY line, VP will be below XY line, and this is for left side view. Okay, the left side view on left profile plane, right side view on right profile plane. Is that clear? Any doubts? I have given enough explanation. That to the conveying this through online mode, it is little difficult over whoever it is. But still, I believe all of you have got at least some 10-15% of it, so that when you solve problem, you'll understand completely. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Any doubt? Shall we summarize this? What is that summarization? First quadrant. No, in general, again, I'll summarize the whole thing. There are two profile planes. One is vertical plane, the other one is horizontal plane. On the vertical plane, we get front view. On the horizontal plane, we get top view. And in other way, whatever we get on the vertical plane is front view. Whatever we get on the horizontal plane is top view. Then we have discussed about the profile plane, which is perpendicular to both the principal planes. Okay. Now, on the profile plane, which view you get. I mean, there are two profile planes, right profile plane and left profile plane. On left profile plane, which view we get, that depends on the quadrant. For first quadrant, okay, on LPP, what is the view?
Right side view.
Right side view. In the first quadrant, on RPP, what is the view?
Left side view.
Left side view. Here is the summary of the first quadrant. Left profile plane will come always towards your left, or right profile plane will come always towards your right. That is common for all. But on the profile planes, which view we get, that depends on the quadrant. Okay, but come back to the first quadrant. On left profile plane, which view we get? On LPP in the first quadrant, which view?
Right side view.
On RPP,
Left side
which view we
view.
get? Left side view. That is with respect to first quadrant. Now, it is same with respect to fourth quadrant also. Fourth quadrant, we'll see fourth quadrant. This is the fourth quadrant. Both will come below XY line. LPP towards your left, RPP towards your right. Here also, right side view on the left profile plane and left side view on the right profile plane. First and fourth are same. Now, I'll go back to the second quadrant, in which both VP and HP are above XY line. What is the difference between first and second? What is the sequence here? Or left side view will get on which profile plane? Yes.
Left profile plane.
Left side view on left profile plane, right side view on right profile plane. Am I right? So this is left side view and this is right side view for the second quadrant. Okay, and it is same for third quadrant. In third quadrant, HP will be above XY line, VP will be below XY line, left profile plane always towards your left, right profile plane always towards your right. But in third quadrant, left side view on the left profile plane, right side view on the right profile plane. Okay, this is for the left side view and this is for the right side view. Got some idea? Got some idea?
Yes, sir.
If you confirm me, I will show you one problem statement. Definitely that will give you, some more, confidence. Take 2 minutes time. Take 2 minutes time. Revise. I'll go back to PPT if you want. Okay. So this is the wave or the picture with different quadrants and profile planes. Okay. Just try to understand what are the process we have followed to get different views. Okay, it is not like you can by heart. Just understand. For all the four quadrants, we have followed the same sequence, same process. Sequence, not sequence of the observer plane of projection object. I mean, the way of understanding it. But same process for all the four quadrant. Position of the observer is constant, and we have followed the same process to bring the horizontal plane and the profile plane on the same plane in which vertical plane is present. Take 2 minutes time. If you permit me, I will show you one problem statement. Solving it, now if you understand it, solving that problem will take only 2 minutes time. Only 2 minutes. Please let me know once you complete summarizing it. Okay, we'll solve one problem today and we'll leave it, and we'll discuss in the next class again.
Okay, answer your attendance.
Meanwhile, answer your attendance, please.
Aditya Roy.
Present,
Aditya Roy.
sir.
Ankit Anand.
Sir.
अंकित आनंद,
Yes, sir.
अंकित राज,
Yes, sir.
अपार महाजन,
Yes, sir.
देवांक गुप्ता,
Present, sir.
देवांक गुप्ता,
Present, sir.
गौरव महेश मेहरवानी,
Present, sir.
हनुमंत साई श्रव्य,
Present, sir.
मोहम्मद हुजैफ, मुस्कान आचार्य, नैन्सी,
Present, sir.
प्रेमराज,
Yes, sir.
रिया जायसवाल,
Present, sir.
रोहित कुमार, रोहित शर्मा,
Yes, sir.
रोहित कुमार,
Present, sir.
रोहित शर्मा,
Present, sir.
साईश्वर आनंद, शौर्य सुमन,
Present, sir.
शिवम मौर्य,
Yes.
श्रेष वी कुलकर्णी,
Yes, sir.
शुभम कुमार,
Yes, sir.
उत्सव सिन्हा,
Present, sir.
यशवंत जी,
Present, sir.
ऐश्वर्या,
Present, sir.
आकाश,
Present, sir.
अमन,
Yes, sir.
अंशिका,
Present, sir.
आर्यन,
Present, sir.
आशीष,
Present, sir.
आशुतोष,
Present, sir.
आत्रेय अब्बार,
Present, sir.
ईशान पाटिल,
Present, sir.
ई रघु,
Yes, sir.
जीवी जयश्री,
Present, sir.
गुणशेट्टी लीला लक्ष्मण, गुणशेट्टी, हर्षराज,
Present, sir.
मिनी कुमारी,
Present, sir.
नैन्सी कुमारी,
Present, sir.
निशांत आनंद,
Yes, sir.
नितिन सिंह,
Yes, sir.
पार्थ शीतल,
Yes, sir.
प्रज्वल जी,
Present, sir.
प्रिया भारता, राहुल, राजा रामन,
Present, sir.
रामानुजम,
Present, sir.
साई मनोज,
Yes, sir.
साक्षी सिंह, सत्यदेव,
Yes, sir.
शुभा के,
Present, sir.
सृष्टि एस के,
Present, sir.
सुप्रिया राय,
Present, sir.
सैयद अरफान, तापन, सैयद अरफान प्रेजेंट, तपन जी, सैयद अरफान, वीणा बिंदुमती,
Present, sir.
राम सूर्य तेज, अच्युत अधिकारी, ऐश्वर्या एसबी,
Present, sir.
अनीना,
Present, sir.
भरत कुमार,
Present, sir.
इंदर,
Present, sir.
मोहम्मद फयाज,
Present, sir.
Neeraj Raj,
Present, sir.
V. Brinda, R. Brinda,
Present, sir.
Samir Karki, Samir Karki, Surendra Singh.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Over.
Sir.
Others, am I audible? You're able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll solve one easy problem today. We'll solve one problem. Why I say easy, the problem is easy is I've given enough explanation to solve that problem. That is why I'm using that word. It is easy. Okay, try to understand the statement. Imagine the quadrant where it is placed. Okay, and you imagine that concept of getting side view and right side view and left side view in different quadrants. Okay, now the problem statement is like this. Am I audible? Others, please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
The problem statement is like this. A point C, 30 mm above HP, 25 mm in front of VP. Okay. Forget about the numbers 30 and 25. It is above HP in front of VP. Which quadrant?
First.
I expect others also to answer because we'll have the recordings. We'll come to know who all have not responded. Please cooperate. Others also should answer. Very few are responding again and again. I'm not asking them not to respond. I expect others also to respond along with them. Right? So the statement is like this. It is above HP in front of VP. Which quadrant?
First quadrant.
First quadrant. Any doubt? It is in first quadrant. Any doubt?
No,
Any
sir.
doubt? No. I'll continue with the statement. And 30 mm from right profile plane. It is in the first quadrant, and from right profile plane, from RPP, it is at a distance of 30 mm. 30 mm. So 30 mm above HP. So from HP it is 30 mm above, and it is in front of VP, 25 mm in front of VP, and from right profile plane. From right profile plane it is 30 mm. Okay. Now this is the data given. Draw the projection of point C and mention on which quadrant it lies. So the second part of the question, what is that? In which quadrant it lies? What is the quadrant in which it lies?
First quadrant.
First quadrant. We have answered the second part of the question. Now we should draw the projections. Okay, different projections. How many projections? Projections means views. Which views? How many views are possible? How many views are possible? Principal views. Front view, top view, obviously. And then one of the side views, either left side view or right side view. Now with respect to this question, whether they have asked left side view or right side view, now I should understand. Okay, now it is in the first quadrant. And they have given data with respect to right profile plane. Okay, now in the first quadrant, on right profile plane, which view will come?
Left side.
Left side view.
Left side view. It means what? They have asked the left side view. They will not ask you to write left side view. They'll give the data for it, and you should understand by seeing the statement which side view they have asked. You're getting my point? This is how you should analyze. This is how you should understand the question. Am I clear? See the quadrant in which it lies and see the data. They have given the data with respect to right profile plane, right? On right profile plane, which way we get in the first quadrant? Which way we get? Which way we get on the right profile plane in the first quadrant?
Left
Left
side
side
view.
view.
Left side view. Okay. Now I should have front view, top view, and left side view. If I do that, and if I do the dimensioning, the problem is over. Okay. Now we'll see how to draw it. I'll go back to the software. Okay. Now, so this is what is the first. What is the first step in solving the problem? Please. Now I just don't want to continue after 4:15. We'll just finish this in 2 minutes. Just help me.
XY line.
Draw the XY line. First, I'll draw the XY line. Okay. Now I'll name it X and Y. I'll just place it X, Y. Okay. Now I'll just cut short this one. Let it be. Okay. Now after drawing XY line, what is the next step? What is the next step? See the question. You want. Am I audible? We'll see it. You just note down this question. You're able to see the screen, right? You're able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Girish Prasad, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now power has gone. I am connecting through my mobile. So that is why I asked whether you're able to see the screen or not. You're able to see the screen, right?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
You're able to see. Now you see?
No, sir.
One second. It is taking time. Now you can see.
No, sir.
I think now you're able to see. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just note down the question. Just note down the question. We'll complete it. Why you should note down the question? When I go to software, you'll not be able to see this statement. Just make a note of that so that you can answer. And response from you people are not up to the mark. From past 2 hours, I am only talking. Over? If that is over, I'll go back to the software.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, okay. Now you just note down this statement. We'll go. Yeah. Now I have drawn the XY line. Now yeah. Now after XY, let me draw X1, Y1. Okay. So I'll just name it X1, Y1. I'll place it. Okay. See that this I am doing with not taking the software help because I cannot open the camera and I can show it through the board because it is not possible. Okay. All this you are supposed to do it manually. Okay. And some people have uploaded few documents in the Google Classroom. There are some mistakes. I'll mention it because I'll again, to mention those mistakes itself, I'll take one extra class whenever you people prefer. Okay. So that you'll not do the mistakes when you draw next time. Okay. Now X1, Y1, I have drawn. Okay. Now first quadrant, where is HP? Where is VP? Where should I place HP and VP? Am I audible?
VP above X5 and HP below X5.
Girish Prasad. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
बहुत
Yes,
ज्यादा.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible now? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Okay, no, I think this connection is not that strong. I have solved this problem already on the software, but it is not appearing for your screen. Am I right? It is still showing x1, y1, xy. Yes?
Nothing, sir.
Yeah, that's right. The signal is not that good. If I connect through mobile, no power is gone. Anyway, I will solve this problem in the next class. Is it okay? But with respect to side waves, I have given enough explanation. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. From next class onwards, I will solve problems. No, from my side, the explanation for first chapter, I mean projection of points, is over. Only thing I am left with solving different typical problems, not the general problems, typical problems. If you are able to solve typical problem, you can easily solve general problem. Okay, shall we stop?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll see in the next class. We'll solve different problems in the next class. Okay, thank you.